Today, I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be playing Minecraft Kit PvP Part 2. So let's get right into the video. Before we start this video, I think I got a new resource pack, so let's try this out. Take this back, see how it is. These is good. Load. Don't like it so far. Ooh, I actually like this. Ooh, yeah, I like this. Alright, yeah. Alright. Oh crap! I thought I had him there. KPV, the apple. Bam. Oops, my bad. Diamond. Diamond stuff. No. No. Don't kill me. I need the apple. Should we go in for the kill? Dude, I'm spamming. He's hacking. That's such a hack. What? Really? Bro, this dude gotta kill me for no reason, bro. Really? I'm sorry about the background.
Yes, every single time.
Easy. Dang it, my bad. Sorry. Sorry about the background. I told you, I'm garbage. I told you, I'm garbage. Alright. Should we kill him? What? Bro. There we go. Alright, we're gonna try to go the way this way. I'm gonna try to do the parkour. I'm bad at parkour. Told you. I'm gonna get this guy. I told you. I'm gonna eat some of these apples. You always gotta gamble before you PvP. Dang it. My God, look at this. Dang, I need a PvP mouse. I got like a bad mouse. What? What? I'm confused. What? Well, I'm clicking as fast as I can. Like, dude, as y'all can hear. Maybe I might I might do an auto clip challenge. Maybe. See, like they're prepared right there. It's not fair. Okay. Dude, I'm clicking as fast as I can. Like, it's not working, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not say lie. Alright. I'm gonna show these guys how to play. Or will I? Dang, R.I.P. R.I.P. Everybody's dying. Oh, what? Like, I think I have a 5 CPS, and that's really bad because I don't have a really good mouse. I do not want to risk auto clicking again. So yeah, cause like I got banned from doing that. So yeah. Can we get like? What can I get? Oh, I can get a diamond chest plate soon. Wait, like, I'm gonna see, like, if it respawns when you do it. Like, idiot die. Oh my gosh. I'm beating him with fists. Beating him with fists. I beat him with fists. What? Bruh, I'm sick. I'm dead. I'm dead. XD. No. Got him. What? I didn't get him? The world to PvP. Sorry if this video is kind of long. I don't really like to like do like long videos for some reason. See, I hate those guys that just do that. Alright. guys, this is basically the end of the video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.